On May 20th, 2009, Razor's electric Hummer H3 was demonstrated for members of Congress in Washington, D.C. on Capitol Hill at a press conference held by Senator Orrin Hatch. Senator Hatch has been a strong supporter of alternative fuel and plug-in hybrid vehicles and was instrumental in key energy legislation that provided up to $7,500 in tax credits for purchasing plug-in electric vehicles. In this effort, Senator Hatch has worked closely with other senators, including then-Senator Barack Obama and Senator Maria Cantwell, co-sponsors of the Freedom Act with Senator Hatch. The electric Hummer H3, powered by Razor's extended-range electric powertrain, is designed to get over 100 miles per gallon in typical local daily driving by replacing petroleum with electricity as the primary fuel. In his speech, Senator Hatch praised the electric Hummer developed by Razor in cooperation with General Motors and noted the impact that the technology could have in dramatically reducing oil consumption and vehicle emissions in trucks and SUVs, the top-selling vehicles in America.
Congress has passed the CLEAR Act, the Freedom Act, and other strong proposals promoting these advanced car technologies. In the last year, we have also provided billions of dollars in auto bailout money and funds specifically for advanced technology vehicle manufacturing to ensure that our nation maintains its early lead in this area. It is now up to President Obama and his auto task force to make use of the resources Congress has given them to ensure that America does not sell away our leadership. Now, I applaud President Obama for his stated goal to put 2 million plug-in vehicles on the road in the United States by 2015. In the next few days, I will be circulating a draft letter to the President calling on him to make it a top priority to protect America's leadership and innovation in vehicle technologies as the auto restructuring moves forward. I have taken these folks down to the White House. We've met with top officials at the White House, including top science advisor, the Environmental Protection Agency head, Rahm Emanuel, others, including Joe Biden and the President himself. This is really important stuff, and it's very important that we go ahead with this as fast and as quickly as we can.
Also speaking at the press conference was Craig Higginson, Chairman, Razor Technologies.
This nation yesterday set a standard by which we want to see the vehicles of this country achieve. They seem to be lofty goals. Some people even say that they may be out of reach. The exciting thing I'm here to do today is to let you know it's right here. It's within reach. This technology is available, and it is here now. People have asked me the question, why did you take that vehicle and make that the vehicle of choice to show this technology? Several years ago, we had the goal to say, how do we most positively impact the environmental issues in this country? And the answer was really simple. It was take those vehicles that Americans want to drive, the vehicles that make up over 50% of the vehicles on the road in this country, and make them greener than a Toyota Prius. A contractor can't fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood in the back of a Fiat 500. We're a country of entrepreneurs. We're a country of business people. We're a country of soccer moms. That is the vehicle that over half of the people in this country want, and frankly, from a utility perspective, need to drive. That's where we approached it. To take a full-sized SUV, van, or pickup truck and accomplish 100 miles per gallon was a real challenge. Some of you will be driving this vehicle today. It's an incredible piece of engineering and workmanship, and again, I would applaud not only the engineers of Razor Technologies, but FEV as well, in the efforts that have gone on for years to make this a reality. Now, as Senator Hatch points out, we find ourselves in an interesting position today with the auto industry struggling and suffering as it is, and combining that with this new mandate for higher CAFE standards. Some people see that as a terrible situation or a real challenge. We view that as a significant opportunity for not only American automotive engineers and automotive ingenuity, but for us as a company as well.
Also speaking at the event was Mr. Gary Rogers, president of FEV Incorporated, Razor's vehicle integration partner on the project. Gary is a member of the CAFE Standards Committee evaluating the standard's effectiveness.
I think the aggressive targets are achievable. However, there's going to need to be quite an introduction of advanced technology into vehicles here in the United States to achieve those targets. And certainly I believe that hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, are going to be a very important part of that overall strategy if we're going to accomplish these high fuel economy targets while still keeping larger vehicles with the utility that we want. To store energy in batteries, be able to run the vehicle 40 miles electric only in a vehicle that size, plus keep the four-wheel drive capability, keep the towing capability. Those were the engineering challenges that we tackled, and I'm very proud to say that this demonstrator accomplishes all of those and is definitely a demonstration platform for not only Hummer, but as Craig said, for other larger vehicles.
Following the press conference, Senator Hatch was the first to drive the new environmentally friendly electric Hummer.
I got to tell you, it's one of the best cars I've ever driven. I'd hate to see that go to any other country as a technological development when we have the capacity right here to develop it.
The senator was joined by other dignitaries and members of the press who also had a chance to drive the near-zero emission vehicle in a demonstration drive on Capitol Hill. If you support the development of clean plug-in electric vehicles and want to make your voice heard, contact the elected representatives in your area. For more information, go to www.razortech.com.